All right, this is the second video. Still, Mr. Emeka, ABBA Forex Center. The first video I did was on USD, odd USD, Australian dollar, US dollar, and this one is on pound USD, Great Britain pound and US dollars. So now I'm based on still the same strategy I told you. I said on the previous video, in the first video, first check the daily time frame, confirm that it is bullish. It's on a bullish state. The momentum is high. The momentum indicator is showing that this momentum is high. That means it's the trend. It is on an uptrend. So then you can now go back, or if you want to go more, you can check the weekly time frame. It also is telling that it's also bullish. Still, your momentum indicator is still telling you the same thing, that is bullish. It is going up, you understand. Now I now go back to your hourly time frame, which way you now be looking for only buy setups, you understand. Like this is today's trade, this is yesterday's trade, this day for yesterday's trade. 3 days ago, I think whether on Friday trade. This is Monday, this is Tuesday. So now yesterday Monday, we're looking for a buy setup, of course. Now you see this momentum indicator, it came down here to almost to hit your 20.20.00 point level, and it didn't come down up to this resistance, up to this level of resistance, which has become support now, you understand. Resistance was resistance, which is now a support level now. And when you check the timing when it hits here, if you check the timing in your time, it is 7 a.m. It is by 7 a.m. that it got to that point. At that time you see something like that, to me I would buy it, because I know it is the time that is moving, and that's the direction it's moving to. Now, and that one aside, even if that one wasn't very clear for you, you can just let it go and wait for the next window. Me, if I trade that 7, if I do not see any potential good setup that I can enter or place my trade, I just let it go and just relax till the next my next trading hour, which is 12. If you wait till that time, come back to 12, come and check again, you will see that your momentum, your stochastic oscillator has come down and actually touch the 20.00 line, 20.00 line, and also the retracement has come in contact or close contact with the 20 moving average. And already in the daily time frame, we've already established that this is a bullish trend, you understand. The momentum is going up, you understand. And then that's when this will now be a potential buy setup for you. If you miss the first time, which is by 7, you come and still catch it here by 12, you understand. By 12, see it, you enter, and note that when I enter a trade like this, I hold it to maximum 3 hours and I'm out. 2-3 hours and I'm out. Just check when you want to enter a trade, check the momentum. Once the momentum has gotten to the 80.00 point, close the trade, and just close the trade, because it might reverse, it might continue. If you enter double position or take 3 position on that trade, you can now take out two profits and then put a stop loss. Hope then just watch whether it will continue, because in most cases, since we are dealing with a bullish trend, in most cases it just continue going bullish. In some cases it will reverse down again to give you another setup for the next time, for the evening section, which is by 5 p.m. You understand? So that this is it, and this is just this another currency pair that I'm showing you now. Even if you go for look on today's time frame, today's market, you will see the same thing repeating itself, exactly clean. This one is very clean, potential and beautiful. This is very sweet. This one just occurred by 7 a.m. this morning. It touched the 20 moving average, and in the stochastic it touched, even go below the 200, which is showing that this market is oversold, which is a potential buy setup. You understand? That is it. You get it here. Go, and then even at the 12th again, it also came close to touching it, but now the stochastic is not at the 200. So in situation like this, you just leave it, just let it be. Don't do anything, except maybe you can enter with a very small lot just to try and see if you can catch something. But for me, I'll just leave it, let it go, take my profit in another place and let it go. I will not even mind it. I'll just look for every other currency pairs, so looking for setups in a place that the daily time frame is bullish. In that pair, so in that currency pair, we're looking for buy setups. In a pair that the daily time frame, it's bearish, the momentum indicator is showing bearish, I'll just look for a sell setup in the hourly time frame. You understand? Most time, if you want to get a further confirmation, you can go to the 30 minutes time frame, a weekly time frame, even 15-minute time frame. It will give you clear confirmation. But in most cases, they can, those 15 minutes can be very confusing. So I don't like going down there. I just focus on my hourly, daily, my momentum indicator, and my moving averages. That's the point I just focus on, to show me and to tell me where my setup is ready, as in when I have a setup, and then I'll just enter the trade, take my positions there. So, and note that there is where in fact, just look at this, then we can discuss more.